In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your game's not showing in OBS Studio. So if you're trying to capture a game window and you can't see it from the list, then the first thing we need to do is go and close out of OBS Studio. You can then open up the Start menu, search for OBS, and then right-click on OBS Studio and click Run as Administrator. You can then click on the plus icon next to Sources, click on Game Capture, click on OK. For the mode, click on Capture Specific Window, and then click on the drop-down arrow next to Window. Now, if you don't see your game in this list, what we'll need to do is open up the Start menu and just make sure you have your game running in the background. So I want to go and record Roblox, so I need to make sure this is running in the background. So once your game's running, you can just go and close out of this window, and then you can come back over to New Source and click on Game Capture, and then you'll just need to go through the steps again by selecting Capture Specific Window, and if you click on the drop down arrow, you should now see your game from the list. Now if it's still not working, the next thing we can try is click on the plus icon once again, and you can try using either the window capture or the display capture instead. So I'm just going to click on display capture, click on OK. For the capture method, set this to automatic, and for the display, select your monitor. You can then go and press OK, and now anything on your computer screen is going to be recorded, including your gameplay. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.